guys, today we're going to be mowing my Massey Ferguson 135. We have a 5-foot mower hooked up to it, and I'm going to be mowing the field back there. And after that, I'm going to clean out the ditch that's back there because it's been a while since it's been cleaned out, and the horses have messed it up running through it and all that. We got to get the mower put on there and then grease everything. I'll see y'all after we do that. Alright guys, we got everything hooked up. Here's the 5-foot mower, and I'm going to get starter up and go get started mowing. And push. Alright guys, it's the next morning and I wanted to show y'all these shirts that my mom got me. It's a Massey Ferguson shirt. I think there's something on the... Yeah, there is. I can't reach my hand all the way back there though. And this one's short sleeve and I got this long sleeve one. It's the morning time, so I'm gonna wait for it to dry up for the grass don't stick to everything. And then I'll start mowing again. See y'all then. Alright guys, we're out here. I'm about to put some diesel in it. And I'm gonna check the coolant first because my temperature gauge isn't working. Figure out how to get it off. There we go. I had to push it and it's wet. Alright, time to fill her up with diesel. Actually, I'm gonna try oil first. It's pretty good. Yep, just about at max. And the transmission. Yep. Alright, I'm gonna put some diesel in it. Just in case you think I'm putting gasoline in it. This gas can has diesel in it, not gas. So just letting y'all know. Alright guys, we started at 9 a.m. Let's see what time we get done. Alright guys, I'm out here underneath this the shed and I'm painting my grandpa's rims on his tractor. This is what it looks like before. Looks pretty bad because they've been painted multiple times and now it's starting to peel off. I'm gonna paint them gray, that's what they're supposed to be. So I'm gonna get started on that and I'll see y'all while I'm doing it or after I'm doing it. Alright guys, as y'all can see, I got those wheels painted yesterday, and I say they look a lot better than they did, a lot better. And this morning I went to the dentist, as you can see. And later today, I'm gonna go hook up that box blade to my tractor and I'm gonna go dig that ditch that's out there. Alright guys, in case y'all didn't see my last video, this is my Massey Ferguson 135. It's got a Perkins diesel in it. It's 45 horsepower, no powered steering, so it's kind of hard to steer. Anyway, if you haven't seen my last video, make sure to go check that out. That was about 2 months ago. But anyway, that should be the end of this video. I don't think I'm going to do anything else, and I'll see you on the next one.